So you must have watched my video on preparing onion peel slide. So in this video we will be preparing a stomata peel slide. So the same things you're going to need: a compound microscope, some safranin, tweezers, few drops of water, and some microscope slide, and a leaf which I've plucked just now, freshly plucked leaf. So this is the upper parts, and this is the epidermal parts, the lower part. So the stomatas are always present in the lower part of the leaves. So what do you understand by stomata? Stomata are nothing. They are small pores situated in the lower part of the leaves, which carry out gaseous exchange for the plants. So tear it in such a way that a white kind of peel appears in it. So let's try it again. So as you can see, those white parts in it, those are the epidermis of the leaves. So we're going to take it out. So with the help of a tweezer, slowly take it out. I've taken small part of it. Now place it on a microscope slide. The same thing we've done with the onion peel slide. Put some water to avoid dryness and wilting. Now stain it with safranin. Again, I've got some safranin in my hand. I don't know, every time I use this kind of safranin, so every time I used to get safranin in my gloves and our hands. So our slide is ready to be observed under the microscope. So place it lock it 100x 10x into 15. So let's see. So if you can see the bean shaped structures over there, those are the stomata. You must have seen it in your biology book, right? So some are opened, some are closed, and sorry for those bubbles over there. So please like, share, and subscribe to ARS Biologicals.